To make money from your YouTube channel, focus on creating top-notch content that keeps viewers coming back for more. You can monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and even fan donations. Remember, building a loyal audience is key, so engage with your viewers and listen to their feedback. Stay consistent, be authentic, and always strive to provide value. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture.
Unlock the power of ad revenue with Google AdSense on YouTube. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're in the game. Monetize your content and start earning from those ads on your videos. It's your time to turn your passion into profit. Keep creating, keep engaging, and watch those earnings grow. Get ready to see your hard work pay off with every click. Let's make those videos work for you.
Ready to take your channel to the next level? Introducing Channel Membership's Join button. Offer exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content for a monthly fee. Engage with your viewers like never before and create a community that's truly invested in your content. Don't miss out on this opportunity to connect with your audience on a whole new level. Join the membership today and unlock a world of possibilities for your channel.
Super Chat and Super Stickers are your golden ticket to stand out during live streams. With just a few clicks, you can grab the spotlight and make your message pop, all while supporting your favorite creators. Engage like never before and let your voice be heard loud and clear. It's your time to shine in the live streaming world with Super Chat and Super Stickers. Don't miss out on the fun. Looking to monetize your content? Try affiliate marketing. Simply include affiliate links in your video descriptions to earn commissions when viewers make a purchase. Platforms like Amazon Associates offer a wide range of products, or explore niche-specific programs for targeted promotions. It's a win-win for you and your audience. They get great products, and you earn extra income. Start boosting your revenue today with affiliate marketing. Collaborate with sponsored content brand deals.
Running a creative project? Need support from your fans? Look no further than crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or other perks to your patrons. It's a win-win. Your fans get closer to your work, and you get the support you need to keep creating. Get started today and watch your community grow. Did you know that with YouTube Premium, you can earn a share of subscription fees when premium members watch your content? That's right. It's an additional revenue stream on top of your ad earnings. So, not only do you get paid for ads, but you also get a piece of the premium pie. It's a win-win for creators like us. So, keep creating awesome content and watch your earnings grow with YouTube Premium. I'm here to share a game-changing idea with you: selling digital products or courses online. If you're an expert in a specific field, why not create and market your own educational content? Your knowledge is valuable and people are eager to learn from you. Use your platform to showcase your expertise and offer digital products or courses. It's a fantastic way to monetize your skills and reach a wider audience. So why wait? Start creating and selling today.